Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I'm really excited to finally be here in front of the camera, and I really hope that I can educate and inspire you all as much as I have with my videos that I have on Facebook. I'm going to just start with some information about how I even started just taking care of my hair as a young girl. When I was 12 years old, I got my first perm. And after that, it was downhill. It was really bad. My hair literally was stuck. Like, it never grew past my, well, maybe like kind of to my shoulders, but it never got to my shoulders. My mother, my aunts, my grandma, they all had natural hair. And well, actually my mother's hair was permed, but still, their hair was so long and so thick, and I couldn't understand for the life of me why my hair would not grow past my neck. So eventually I went on to college, to Spelman College. Shout out to Spelman College. And the young ladies there were very free with their natural hair. A lot of my friends, they started going natural, and I decided to go natural. My hairstylist at the time, she encouraged me to do so. So I transitioned my perm. I think that's when the growth spurt happened, probably like my sophomore, junior year in college. Finally, when it was completely natural, it just sprouted down my back. And I got it down probably about right here when I was in college. But I was actually straightening it every 2 to 3 weeks. I would get my hair done. She would use Marcel heat, the Marcel irons. And so my hair, it was still long, but they would always tell me that I had issues with dryness. My hair was dry. It was very dry. So we pretty much didn't know what to do about that struggle. I just continued to get my hair done, and it stayed at the length it was. It never really broke off a lot. So I was pretty happy with it. I got some color, played with it and stuff like that. But it wasn't until I moved to Houston, Texas, the hottest place on earth. Okay, Houston is very hot. But it wasn't until I moved here that I decided to actually just go completely natural in terms of wearing my natural afro textured hair. At the time, I was broke. I was struggling. I was going through a season where I hadn't had a job in like 9 months, and I was hot all the time because I was walking. I had no car. It was like September in Houston, and I had been here for about 4 months by that time, but I continuously tried to straighten it and it would just poof out. So then I would wear buns a lot. Got to the point where I was just like, look, God, I don't know what to do with my hair. So I just twisted it. That's what I did. I didn't have any person that was egging me on in the background. I didn't have natural hair care forums that I was going to, conventions. But when I did twist it, I began to start researching things on YouTube. And when I found YouTube, that's when the game changed completely. Right now, it's been about a year and a half, and I have seen extreme results from my new regimen that I've been doing. Our hair has always been looked at as this untamable force that is just, you can't figure it out, and nothing can ever change it, and it'll never grow. You're always going to have short hair. So ultimately, I think that my hair has completely broke those barriers, those ideals of myself and my hair.